Hi, so I want to make a quick review of S67 Bluetooth speaker to see how different parts sounds, stressing the importance of each part. Now, there are tweeters, like on ZEALOT S67 speaker, there are two tweeters, there's one woofer, right? There's woofer and there is two radiators, right? As I've shown in my previous videos. But now I'm going to put this to a test. I'm going to, show you how each part sounds, okay, to see the difference between different parts of ZEALOT S67 Bluetooth speaker. And this is applicable to all speakers because all these things that I mentioned, they are also available in other Bluetooth speakers, be it another model of ZEALOT, Anchor products, or JBL, blah, blah, it goes on. So they have tweeters, they have radiators, they have woofers. But how do these different parts sound? Let's see. All right, so here is S67. This one has been opened up, right? So as it is, so these are tweeters, two tweeters, one and two tweeters. This is the woofer and radiator, passive radiators. Yeah, two passive radiators. Okay, so this is how I'm going to do the test, right? So as it is open up. Yeah, so I'm going to test this by, number one, I will start with just the tweeters alone, right? Then I will add the woofer to see how it sound. So after the woofer, the next thing is what? The passive radiators. Yeah, the passive radiators. And here is the one here, this one is not open up, it has been sealed, right? This has been coupled. So I'm going to play. I will start with just two tweeters, then two tweeters plus the woofer, then lastly this one to see how different parts, sound. So first, just the tweeters. So I'm going to remove the woofer. This is for the bass. Yeah, this is for the bass. So I'm going to pull this up. Yeah, that is for the bass. Look at it here. Yeah, bass. So next is for me to put this on. Yeah, the sound seems to be non-existent. No, it has connected to a Bluetooth device. So I'm going to play something right now to see how this is going to sound. Alright. Alright. So now what I'm playing is, yeah, this is Stevie Marley. Yeah. This is Stevie Marley, Tight Ship, right? So you see how it is sounding, right? Yeah.
Though the wicked persecute I, still my heart has low.
Yes.
Oh, my head's anointed with the powers of love. Though the wicked persecute I,
all right, so now this one is sounding and this one is sounding. Treat it as 1, 2.
There is no room for mistakes. We're sailing a tight ship for sure. Got the broom, sweep the place.
All right, so those are the tweeters sounding, right? So next is to add woofer, right? Now, yes, woofer coming in.
Sweep the place. Clear space. Yeah. Though the wicked persecute I, still my heart is love. Oh, my head's anointed with the power.
This is the difference. That is the bass, and here is the middle. You see how it is vibrating there? Yes. All right. Let me increase it a bit. Yeah.
There is no room for mistakes. We're sailing it for sure. Got the broom, sweep the place. Oh, clear our space. There is no room for mistakes. Papa said, sailing a tight ship for shore. Got the broom, sweep the place, up clear our space. Hey, let's get this ship up and picking, spanking, yes. All hands up.
Yeah, let me close that. This is different. All right, so I've went from this to Twitter to woofer, but now to the all complete unit. There's a difference in sound. Immediately I turned this off automatically. This one started playing because both speakers were connected to the device I am using. That is a PC. So immediately I turned this off, automatically this one started, it took over, it started playing. Right. This difference in sound. Now let me play it.
Don't take
You see?
acid. Don't let me say it again. Let's get this ship up and in speaking, spanking, yeah. All hands on deck, I
See,
said.
this difference, right? All right. So that is it. You see, difference in different parts of Bluetooth speaker, starting from the tweeters to the woofer. That is, the woofer give the bass, right? Then, lastly, the passive radiators. The passive radiators, all gives boosts to the woofer, to the bass, right? Yes. Without the passive radiators, you're not gonna enjoy it. No way. You're not going to enjoy the sound. All right. So basically, there is that about generally Bluetooth speakers. Not only Bluetooth speakers, generally all speakers. You have home theater, blah blah. They will have, they have this. There will be a passive radiator. There will be bars. There will be tweeters. All right. So that is all. Peace out.